I will harvest some tomato in my glass house, my cherry tomato, because I did not check them for a couple of days now. So I will go there, and oh, this is what happened to my cherry tomato. Heaps of ripe. I need to harvest all because we will use it for birthday of my grandson. So need to harvest everything. Heaps of ripe. This is cherry tomato, good for salad. And I just harvest this. It's very hard to get. So here, it's really hard to get. So I will put it in here. Heaps of ripe. So okay, I will start now my cherry tomato. You see, it's heaps. This is good for salad. So I must harvest all because you see, oh, I will get my scissors. It's really very sweet, this one. Sweet and nice for salad. They are very small. You see? And here, this is my harvest for today. I will harvest all of them. Thank you for watching. Bye.